What's up, YouTube? Grizzly Gamer here, and today we got a couple Fantastic Four unboxings for Mystery Minis. I'll hand it over and let's get started.
Alright guys, so we picked up some of these only at GameStop exclusive Fantastic Four Mystery Mini. So yeah, we're going to open it. Your options that you can get are Mr. Fantastic, The Thing, Mrs. Fantastic, The Human Torch, the Silver Surfer, Doctor Doom, Mr. Fantastic with kind of his arm out, like stretched out. And I'm not really sure all the other villains, like in all honesty. I'm more into the movies, and I don't know who the Aquaman looking dude is. Looks kind of like Aquaman.
Dr. Octopus, maybe?
No, that's Spider-Man.
Oh.
This is Fantastic Four. The one does kind of look like the Green Goblin, but he's not the Green Goblin. Some of them look a lot like other heroes. But anyway,
okay.
we're going to get to open. Alright, this one's kind of slightly open, so we'll open this guy first. It looks like the box was kind of sealed weird. Alright. So I'm hoping for the Human Torch, Doctor Doom, or the Silver Surfer.
I would say Silver Surfer as
The Thing
well.
would be pretty cool too. I'm not really into the Fantastic couple. Who do you want? Silver
Surfer, probably.
Alright, bust this baby open. Oh, the Thing. Oh, and he's a bobblehead. That's so cute. The Thing. I said the Thing would be cool too. It's just the two couple. This one seems a little bit lighter, so I think it's going to be somebody smaller. Silver Surfer's kind of small. There's a green guy on here. Could be Mrs. Fantastic.
And we thought Funko couldn't do anything else.
Well, I know some of them are required to make bobbleheads because of the licensing, right? Oh, we got another Thing.
Are you joking?
First double ever.
Get the fuck out of here.
You know, this is what I get for grabbing the two, so now they're going to have to fight each other.
Well,
I grabbed the front two, and they felt like they were different. I just kind of grabbed them and said, here, I'll take these. So that's really funny that we got a duplicate. So maybe we'll just sell one on eBay or something.
That's an incredible dud. Well,
it's a fantastic dud.
Yeah. Well, this concludes the video of the Fantastic Dud. This is Grizzly Gamer signing out, and as always, keep that collection growing, stay positive, and most importantly, stay away from scalpers and asshole sellers. Grizzly Gamer, signing out.